Hi and welcome to Rearo Rosyth's recently renovated showroom. My name is Jonathan and I'm the branch manager here. With the recent renovations, we wanted to take the opportunity to showcase the entirety of our product range. With recent introductions allowing us to become a bit of a one-stop shop, we decided to showcase predominantly our Selkie Board, but also the latest introductions of our flooring product, ClickSeal, as well as our solid surface GetaCore product and a number of our laminate worktop ranges. Rearo have had a presence within the local area here in Dunfermline for around 40 years. Within this unit itself, we've now just celebrated our 10-year anniversary. Recently, Rearo have undergone quite a bit of growth from their product point of view. We've expanded not only our PVC, but our compact grade tile effect, and that's also coincided with the relaunch of Selkie Board, where we have introduced 30 new colours. We wanted to make sure that all those products were on display for our visiting customers to be able to see them. Rearo Rosyth have a whole range of customers coming through its doors. That's from experienced tradesmen, large-scale distributors, to just the everyday person that's working on the bathroom or kitchen project. Whether it's a case of you coming into the Rosyth showroom knowing exactly what you're looking for or having no idea at all of what it is you're looking for, the staff here are trained to talk you through our whole product range, be it kitchen, be it bathroom, and we can help you find exactly what it is you're looking for. Rearo cater for all work surfaces, from your flooring, PVC ceiling panels, laminate wallboarding, and laminate and solid surface worktops. The variety of this allows us to cover all bases for a number of different customers. What's important to remember with Rearo is, at the heart of it, we're a manufacturing company. So the products that we display in our showroom is not the entirety of what we offer. We have samples and colour charts, as well as commercial products on display. So whether you're looking for a specific shade of red for your kitchen splashback, or a number of cubicles for a large-scale commercial project, here at the Rosyth showroom we can talk you through that and work together to get you exactly what you're looking for. The opportunity to do up the showroom allowed me to pick and choose some of my favourite colours, put them on display and showcase them. What we've chosen to do is highlight the silver rain, and what's unique about this panel is it has matte, gloss and texture to it. As I say, very unique and catches a lot of people's attention. Rearo's Rosyth showroom is located just off of Primrose Lane in Rosyth FIFE. We're open 8 till 5 Monday to Thursday and open till 4 o'clock on a Friday. We also open on a Saturday morning 9 till 1. All our products are on display, as I've said. All the Selkie Board has full-size panels available to view, as well as brochures and samples that can be taken away. In addition to this, we do have a warehouse attached to our showroom, so panels can be taken away on the day.